What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Surprise, surprise, man. Y'all see it. Y'all see it, man. Hey, look, I'm overjoyed. I'm excited, but this is before. But this video gonna show y'all the whole process. I told y'all, man, I've been making moves secretly and all of that, man. Got everything handled back last month, but I was hoping, man. I said I hope it make it before the end of the year. And they came through. I got the call, set up delivery, and man, I'm excited, man. I'm excited. So I'm about to get everything moved. Man. So they'll have a clear path, and gonna see the time lapse, man. I know when it all get up, man, I'm gonna take it all in, man, cause they were like my next biggest goal outside, besides reading the whole Bible from front to back. This is my next biggest goal, man, and here it is, man. The good Lord done blessed me to make it happen. I hope it gets up this year. So, you know, I have been shopping around. I've taken my time to shop around a long time, y'all. And then, like I said, good number fell in front of me, man, and I took care of it last month. So, and it's here. So, yeah, man, let's get all this stuff moved, cause they probably be arriving soon. And I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. Alright, y'all, we checking in. So, I've been rolling a time lapse for y'all, man. They got everything up, so I'm gonna show y'all the frame for us a quick second. This where they at with everything so far. Coming right on along, y'all got the time lapse rolling, so y'all will be able to see the whole process, man. And it looking good. It's looking good thus far, man. It's coming together, so y'all can see that's what the color gonna be. It's about all I got for y'all right now. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in. So quick little update. You see they still back there working on the shop, but I got dump game all back on the wheels. It was on when I bought it. It cost transporter coming to get it today. It's going to North Carolina, y'all. So shout out to the winner. I never got a real name. I got an Instagram name, man, but Magic Santana, that was his name. Spot number 129, ticket number 129, the one that won Don't Game. If you didn't know Don't Game was leaving, then that's why I say you have to be on my Facebook, Instagram, man. I'm very active over there too, cause you know I do little short videos and stuff. But Don't Game going to North Carolina, y'all. So maybe some of y'all up there will see it rolling around. I don't know what part of North Carolina, but this way it's going, man. So I got the tire back on it. It getting ready to go. It's getting ready to go today. So congratulations to the winner, man, and shout out to everybody that participated. And I know it's going to a great home, man. And, yep, off with this one, and then y'all know when the next time y'all see a donk, it's gonna be a convertible like I really wanted, a 73. So yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned. Turn y'all on in a minute.
The Fusion.
I know you gonna dig this.
All right, y'all, we checking in. Man, this is literally 3 weeks later. I know the vlog, y'all probably like, man, what's up? Well, y'all ain't with like what's up, cause y'all ain't saw that. I don't know what I'm thinking about. But yeah, I'm recording from me here, cause man, it's too cold out there. It's iced up. But I want to just show y'all step by step. So they putting the door on. Now they had the problem and stuff with the door. They couldn't get it on. But the building been up for 3 weeks. So I did get the building up before the new year. They got it up right before Christmas, actually, the week before Christmas. But had a problem with the door. And then the people were out of the office that whole week of Christmas. So that was a week in the hole just gone. And man, they finally getting out here and putting the door on. So that's why, like, the day y'all watching this is the day I'm filming this clip now, right here in the closing. Cause I didn't want to put the building up looking like that. That's why. That's why I ain't give y'all the video. Let y'all know. People probably saw it in the background. This half of it on one of the pictures me and wifey took together and stuff. But that's why I ain't showed the shop. I ain't posting nothing on no platforms or nothing. But when they get finished and it warm up, we'll go out there, man. I'm gonna show y'all the building, get the thumbnail and all that, and then check back in with y'all. All right, y'all. Here it is. The finished product, man. And boy, it feels so good, man. It feels good seeing this thing completed. Like, this is a sense of accomplishment, man. This was one of my biggest goals to get done, and here it is. Looking at it, man, sitting right here staring at my own shop, man. My own shop, y'all. It's up. It's actually up, and man, all I can say, man, they got to give our Father in heaven the glory. Gotta give him his praise, man. Through him, all things are possible. And I definitely couldn't get this and acquire this or nothing I acquired in life without the Father, man. So, you know, I'm very thankful for him. I'm thankful for my I'm very thankful for my family, for supporting me a lot. My wife, like I said, man, wife is super supportive. Always have been of everything I do, no matter what. She always had my back. And she a big part of this too, man, you know, cause she contribute and help a lot. Like I said, the kids, everybody, man. But boy, my in-laws, and then, you know, everybody excited for me. Like, everybody wanted me to have this, man. My wife was like, man, all from the beginning, you know, get your shot from the beginning. And man, it finally here. And man, all I can say is an amazing feeling. And I gotta thank y'all, man, BCG fam, holding me down. And the ones, you know, like I said, that's still around and still rocking, the new ones that came. Like, man, I really appreciate y'all. I genuinely do, man. And y'all know we're gonna have some good times coming out this building. Some bad hot rod gonna come out this building. Y'all know we're gonna keep something in the works. Some bad hot rod gonna get remixed in this building. It's gonna be a lot of memories made, man. And you know, we finna get the ball rolling. Get the ball rolling, man. You know, the floors gotta get done, all of that. And I'm gonna have that coming and everything, man. It's just a beautiful feeling, man. It's a beautiful feeling. Like I said, you know, I said the floors gotta get done. I'm cold, y'all. My bad. The floors are done. But what I'm saying, y'all are seeing this stuff out of order. I'm filming it, but like I told in the clip before, the floors are done. I mean, but I can't take y'all in there to see, cause you know, like I said, I did stuff out of order. Y'all gonna see that. But that video will be dropping tomorrow. Whew, cold, y'all. It's 30-something, 32. But yeah, man, it's finally up, and like I said, it was up for 3 weeks without that door. That door was off because they had a mistake. It was damaged during shipping, and man, for 3 weeks, I had no door on right here. But me and wife were rolling. Like I said, it's it's a lot been done already, man, that y'all gonna see to the shop. But I already been moving some stuff in and all that. Cause like I said, been up 3 weeks. The building been up 3 weeks. Just didn't have a garage door on the left side. But and me and wifey did the floor ourselves. So y'all gonna want to tune in to that, cause they look amazing. They look amazing. That video dropping tomorrow. The floors. So y'all gonna want to see it. I already got it edited. It's ready to go. I'm dropping this today, cause this door just literally got put on today. But you know, I just had to wait. I couldn't show y'all the shop with one garage door on it, man. I was like, man, I can't do it like that. That way ain't put no picture of the shop or nothing up. But you know, it's here, man. It's here. Like I said, to God be the glory, man. The living God, our Father in heaven, man. To Him be the glory, man. Jesus Christ, all things are possible. So, yeah, and man, thank y'all, man. I really mean it. Thank y'all, man. I really do mean it. Thank y'all. So that's it, y'all. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.